Good morning students. Welcome to online session of computers. In previous class, we have studied about software, types of software and relationship between hardware and software. In today's class, I am going to explain data hierarchy. Now, first we'll understand the meaning of data hierarchy. First, data means information or facts. Hierarchy means classification of things according to their relative importance. So, data hierarchy is a kind of information which will be classified on the basis of relative importance. You know that data refer to raw facts and figures that may consist of alphabets, numbers, sound, pictures and images. Now here, as I've explained, data means any kind of information and facts. So these information or facts can be a kind of consist alphabets. Alphabets means A, B, C, D, E, F, G, likewise, or numbers 1, 2, 3, 4. Sound, any sound can be there, animal sound or any sound of drum, sound of instrument, any sound can come. Pictures and images. A computer system processes data and gives information that is used for various purposes. The data is stored in the form of bits and bytes in a computer database. Now what this computer system is doing? Computer system is processing data. How it is processing data? It is processing data with the help of processing device. Now after processing it or after processing the data, the computer system gives information to the user, and that information will be used for various purposes or for various uses. The data, now this data will be stored in the computer. Now how it will be how it will be stored in computer? It will be stored in the form of bits, bytes in a computer database. We are having hierarchy here. In this hierarchy we are having 6 items. First is a bit. Bit is a short form of a binary digit. A computer system represents data using digits 0 and 1. These digits show whether the computer circuits are on or off or on. A bit is therefore represented by an electronic current that is either off or on. Means first we are having bit here, and bit is the short form of binary digit. If you will say binary digit, that will be the full form of bit. Now the system, computer system, represents the data. And how it is representing data? It is representing data by using digits 0 and 1. And this digit is shown as off and on. Why? Because that is showing whether the computer current is off or on. Now this off on and on is here. Why it is here? Because here we are talking about electronic circuit. You might have seen any electronic devices at your home. That electronic, suppose you are seeing that light or fan, it can be either turn off or turn on. Only two choices are there, on or off. In same manner here with computer we are having electronic current, and that is either off or on. Second is byte. Now this byte is a collection of 8 bits. A byte of information is stored by using several bits in a predefined combination called bit patterns. Two such bit patterns are ASCII and EBCDIC. Means now this byte, it is a collection of 8 bits. Means in one byte we are having 8 bits there, and these bits are giving information which is stored in different and several bits which is already predefined, means already defined in a combination, and this predefined combination is called bit patterns. Now two patterns are given here. We can see here ASCII and EBCDIC. Its full form is given here. The full form of ASCII is American Standard Code for Information Interchange, and EBCDIC is Extended Binary Code Decimal Interchange Code. Now these two patterns, bit patterns, have been given. Third, we are having field. Field is a collection of bytes that contain information about an item. For example, the name of a student, his or her age, and his or her class. Now after bytes, we are having field here, and this field is a collection of bytes that is containing some information about suppose we are taking an item, like we are taking name of student, the name of student, or we can write that age, or we can write class likewise. Next, we are having record. A record is a collection of interrelated fields. For example, a student's record may contain fields such as name, age, class, and subjects. Now in previous we have studied about field. In same manner we can have that records here. Field, suppose if the name single Ram's detail has been given there, that will be field. If same kind of detail has been kept, or interrelated fields had been kept, suppose there is detail of Ram, Sham, likewise, then it will come under the record of that particular file. Now one example it is given. For example, a student's record may contain file such as name, age, class, and subject. Now in this particular record there will be file field in which name, age, class, and subjects will be given. Fifth is file. A file is a collection of related records. For example, a collection of all the records of all students in your class in class file. Now we can say that in this file we are having that records. Example, it is given likewise, you are the student of class 7th. Now if we will keep the record of all student of class 7th, that time it will be called as file. Sixth is database. A database is a collection of all files in an organization. Now organization means any firm, or you can say any hospital or school you can take. Let's understand with the help of an example. Here it is written, files of students, teachers, and other staff members of your school make the school database. Now if we'll say the database of school, it means it consists of detailed files of students, then files of teachers, files of staff members there. Now here understand with the help of one diagram. This is a diagram of data hierarchy. First we are having database. School, we are having school database. In this school database we are having some files related to teacher file, student file, or other staff file. Now all together that it will be kept. Under this we are having some records. If you'll see that student file, in this student file we will have some records here. Records of Vishal, Neha, Rohit, and Nikhil. Now if you'll see the records of Neha here, then we will have some fields here. Fields like name, age, class, roll number, and address. Now if you'll see the age of Neha, that will consist some bytes here. Bytes like this means it is having 8 bits here. Now if you'll see that particular age and that bytes here, it will have 8 bits like here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Total 18 numbers. Now one more diagram we are having here, this one. This is the descending order of data hierarchy. The explanation I have given, that is according to ascending order of data hierarchy. Ascending means from smaller to bigger side. So I have explained bit, byte, field, record, file, database, and here it is given in descending order. Descending order means from larger to smaller. So first we are having database here, second file, third record, fourth field, fifth byte, and sixth bit. This much for today's class, students. Thank you.